The Brazilian rainforest, a treasure trove of biodiversity, is under threat. With the Atlantic forest reduced to a mere 12% of its original size, and the Amazon losing almost 20% of its forest cover in the last 50 years, it's time for innovative solutions. Enter Re.green, a company on a mission to restore these vital ecosystems using cutting-edge technology. Re.green has developed a unique approach, combining AI and satellite imagery to identify the best areas for restoration. By analyzing scientific data, they pinpoint degraded lands with low productivity, perfect for bringing tropical forests back to life. But here's where it gets controversial. They acquire this land, either through purchase or long-term lease agreements with farmers and ranchers. Using AI algorithms, Re.green prescribes restoration models tailored to each environment. In some areas, they employ intensive planting operations, while in others, they let nature take its course. Drones are used in remote locations, ensuring efficient seed planting. All sites are restored with native species, grown at Bioflora, a tree nursery acquired by Re.green in 2021. Our goal is clear, says Tiago Piccolo, Re.green CEO. We want to restore tropical forests as close as possible to their original state. But how do they make this financially viable? Re.green's algorithms provide a financial model for each area, based on land costs and estimated carbon sequestration. One approach is sustainable forestry, where they plant native species for high-value timber, ensuring a higher return on investment. Another option is generating carbon credits, which companies can purchase to offset their emissions. Re.green's scheme is transparent and verified, ensuring the reforestation is truly additional. This year, Re.green made a landmark deal with Microsoft, selling nearly 3.5 million tons of carbon removal credits. They've also partnered with Nestlé to restore Atlantic forest in southern Bahia. Restoring forests is capital-intensive, Piccolo emphasizes. We must make it financially viable to scale faster and increase profitability. Re.green aims to raise $60 million by 2025 to expand their AI and satellite technology. The Earthshot Prize, won by Re.green, will boost their visibility, facilitate corporate partnerships, and support research and development. With their innovative approach, Re.green has already planted over 6 million seedlings across 30,000 hectares in 4 Brazilian states. By 2032, they aim to plant 65 million seedlings. Scalability and replicability are key, says Jason Knopf, CEO of the Earthshot Prize. Re.green's win will hopefully support the creation of a new economic sector for large-scale ecological restoration. So what do you think? Is Re.green's approach a sustainable solution for the Brazilian rainforest? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.